We started out in residential, just like everybody else back in the 80s, with doing all hardwired. We never trusted wireless, and I stuck with it because it worked. And we had NAPCO and 8 zones, and we thought that was the greatest thing in the world. And when good wireless came out, we started to trust it, but we didn't like the battery aspect of it and the maintenance of it, where hardwire, you put it in right, and then it worked. We looked at DMP to where it expanded, and it had zone expanders and zone outputs, and that really opened up an integration piece to us with other things that are available in the electronic world. Well, my first roundtable was 2 years ago in Los Angeles, and I met people in the DMP arena that I have never met before. I had met the trainers in the past when I first signed up with DMP, but I've never met other dealers that were like me and did residential, commercial, government, and federal systems. It's absolutely worthwhile. With the questions that you hear and the responses from the manufacturer at DMP and the support that you get, and they coming to you and helping you with a project, a future project, or one you have on the table now to put it all together, nobody else does that like DMP.